Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Motorcycle Tool Kit is probably one of the most important investments you'll make as a motorcycle owner, ensuring you're prepared for any roadside mishaps or regular maintenance tasks. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the essential tools, features to look for, and help you choose the perfect kit to keep your bike running smoothly, saving you time, money, and potential roadside headaches. Number 5. BIKER'S Choice 151522 Toolkit. This handy toolkit is a must-have for any Harley-Davidson owner. It's designed for easy portability and storage. It's been engineered with Harley-Davidson motorcycles in mind. You'll find everything you need for quick repairs and maintenance. The roll-up design keeps it compact and organized. It's easy to carry and store, perfect for on-the-go repairs. It includes all the essential tools you need for basic motorcycle maintenance. No more searching for the right tool at the wrong time. Built to last, it's made from high-quality materials. You can trust it to perform when you need it most. Keep it in your saddlebag or trunk and never be caught unprepared. It's the perfect companion for any ride. What we like. It is specifically designed for Harley-Davidson motorcycles, providing all the essential tools you need for maintenance and repairs. This comprehensive kit ensures you're prepared for any roadside emergency or garage work. If you own a Harley and value convenience, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Fits great in my extended saddlebags, doesn't take up a lot of space. All the basic tools you could need if you're stranded, or just need to tighten up a gas hose clamp, or take your seat off to access your battery are here. This is a great set of bike-specific tools. Just what you need and none of what you don't. It's surprisingly light considering all of what it contains. They are nice high-quality tools too, they don't feel cheap at all. Number 4. CruzTOOLS SKJAS SPEEDKIT. It's the CruzTOOLS SKJAS SPEEDKIT. This ultra-compact kit provides all the tools you need, in a surprisingly small package. It's perfect for any motorcycle, ATV, or snowmobile. It fits in most OEM tool cavities, yet it holds more tools than you'd expect. You'll be amazed by how much it packs in such a small space. This isn't your average tool kit. It includes high-quality wrenches, hex keys, and other essential tools for any repair job. You get everything you need: wrenches, hex keys, a spark plug socket, pliers, a tire gauge, and more. All the essentials are right here. The sturdy zip-up pouch keeps everything organized and protected. It's ready to go whenever you are. It includes 10 by 12 mm and 14 by 17 mm open-end wrenches, an 8 mm nut driver, a 5/8 and 18 mm spark plug wrench, a mini 5-in-1 screwdriver, 3 to 6 mm hex keys, a tire gauge, and slip joint pliers. All in one convenient kit. What we like. Its incredibly compact design makes it perfect for storage in tight spaces, such as OEM tool cavities. It includes high-quality, professional tools suitable for various motorcycles, ATVs, and snowmobiles. If you need a portable, powerful kit for multiple vehicles, this is the one for you. What people say. CruzTOOLS kits are always great quality. Quality seems to be very good, and it is a great basic toolkit in a compact easy-to-carry pouch, recommended. Product case is small and easy to store on the bike, and the tools included are about the quality of Craftsman hand tools. Number 3. EE-1HD Motorcycle Tool Kit. This comprehensive kit is designed for Harley-Davidson motorcycles, ensuring you're prepared for any roadside emergency or garage repair. It includes everything from wrenches and screwdrivers to a flashlight, tire gauge, and even electrical components. You'll have the tools you need to handle most situations. This kit contains top-grade combination wrenches, an adjustable wrench, locking pliers, and a 6-in-1 screwdriver. It's built to last and perform under pressure. The heavy-duty nylon wrap and vinyl sheath keep it all together and compact for easy travel. It's designed for convenience and portability. With this kit, you'll be prepared for almost any roadside repair. It's the ultimate peace of mind for any Harley-Davidson rider. This kit is more than just tools, it's your confidence on the road. Get yours today and ride worry-free. What we like. This kit is a lifesaver for roadside emergencies, including a flashlight and tools to handle most repairs. It's a complete solution, packed with high-quality tools and designed for durability. If you prioritize preparedness and reliability, this kit is your best bet. What people say. The roll was of good quality that came with 2 Velcro straps and an out case to keep everything tidy and tight. He was happy with the tool selection as well as things like electrical tape and zip ties. It has most anything you will need to make repairs while on the road. Number 2. EE-1HD Essenti-Economy Kit. This comprehensive kit is designed for both roadside emergencies and garage maintenance. It's your essential companion for any motorcycle journey. It's packed with everything you need to handle most roadside mishaps, ensuring you're never stranded. You'll be back on the road in no time. It's not just for roadside repairs, it's also perfect for tackling most of your garage maintenance tasks. This kit is a true all-rounder. This kit offers incredible value. Despite its affordable price, it includes a wide array of high-quality tools. It boasts 2 spark plug sockets, a 6-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver, various wrenches and sockets, pliers, an air pressure gauge, and more. Everything you need is right here. This kit includes Allen keys, wrenches in various sizes, sockets, a driver with multiple bits, vice grips, electrical tape, and cable ties. All are made to a high standard. It's compact and designed to fit in most fork bags, making it the perfect travel companion. Take it with you wherever you go. What we like. It offers exceptional value, providing a wide range of tools without breaking the bank. It includes all the essential tools for most roadside and garage repairs. If you're on a budget but need a reliable kit, this is the perfect option. What people say. Good assortment of tools, all nicely contained. Needed some basic tools for my Harley, compact for road trips but easy to use. This kit has more than I know what to do with, but I'm sure it will all come in handy when needed. Fits perfect in our Harley-Davidson and it's the perfect set for a motorcycle. Number 1. CruzTOOLS RTH3 RoadTech H3. This comprehensive kit is designed for Harley-Davidson motorcycles. It has everything you need for roadside repairs. It's the perfect solution for any Harley rider. Carry it with you on every ride, ensuring you're prepared for anything. Built to withstand the rigors of the road, it's made from high-quality materials. You can trust it to perform when you need it most. This kit includes all the tools you need for your Harley. No more searching for the right tool, everything is right here. Its compact design makes it easy to transport. Take it with you wherever your Harley adventures take you. Don't get stranded. Get the CruzTOOLS RTH3 RoadTech H3 and ride with confidence. What we like. It's a complete travel toolkit solution tailored for Harley-Davidson motorcycles. It's compact and well organized, making it ideal for carrying on the go. If you're a Harley owner who needs a portable and comprehensive toolkit, this is a great choice. What people say. It has all the spanner sizes needed to work on your Harley. Its relatively compact design allows you to take it with you on longer out rides and allows you to fix minor defects yourself on the road. Fits in the roll bag on my Sportster backrest. Been used several times already. Nice quality. These tools are amazing. I take them every time I ride. The kit has almost everything you'd need to do a roadside tweak or repair. All of the tools fit the various Harley screws and bolts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.